has made me better.
A new beginning.
A place for growth.
An inspiration.
Builds knowledge.
A team.
Commitment.
Passion.
Love.
Targeted.
Trusted. Forward-looking.
Experienced.
Partnership driven.
Connected.
Empowered.
A pleasant evening to everyone. Hello to our viewers and participants. Maayong gabi, Northern Mindanao. And welcome to the Syntactics Challenge powered by StackLeague. All right, so hello to our participants and viewers. Karong gabi, are you all excited? Are you ready? All right. Okay, so aside from our cash prizes, wherein you could win as much as 5,000 pesos, all the winners, the challenge winners, will also receive Microsoft jackets and Microsoft Learn kits. All right, so aside from our cash prize from our generous partners, you would also be receiving Microsoft products. Okay. So are you all excited and are you all ready to face the Syntactics Challenge? Let us not wait any longer. To formally start, I would like to introduce one of the brilliant minds behind Syntactics, the ICT champion in the year 2014, an expert in BPO business management, online marketing and consultancy, business IT analysis, website optimization, online applications designing and project management, and database design and management. Everyone, the president and CEO of Syntactics Incorporated, let us all welcome Ms. Stephanie Caragos.
Hello, hello, hello. Thank you, Isai. Thanks for the kind introduction. Welcome, everyone. And I'm really happy that we're working together with StackLeague for this one. This is the first time that Syntactics is actually partnering with StackLeague, and I thank Haifa for this opportunity. I'm very excited that we get to give our young professionals and aspiring professionals a chance to practice their abilities in coding and development. And as a company, we're very supportive in the endeavors of the ICT organizations in developing more talents and helping improve the abilities of our young professionals. We agreed to this endeavor, and I'm really hoping that after this we get to work together again, Haifa and Isai and with StackLeague, and I get to see all of you guys again in our probably next events. And so, the main point of this is for just to give you a place to hang out and have fun with the rest of the people, to hang out and have fun with like-minded people, right? So I guess that's it. Welcome to this challenge and enjoy your time.
Thank you so much, Ms. Steph, for welcoming our participants and viewers tonight. All right, so, okay. So again, welcome to our participants and viewers. Are you all ready for the challenge? Get ready those fingers for our challenges tonight. And before we proceed with our challenge, we would like to give you an overview of StackLeague. Our head of growth, Ms. Haifa Baluyos, will help me with that. Haif?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much again for joining us tonight. And if this is the first time, which is we see that most of you, it's your first time to join us, we will do a quick introduction on what StackLeague is. And later on, you will know the specifics of the challenge. That means the mechanics. So let's dive into it. Isai, next slide. So StackLeague is the Philippines' first year-round programming league. We just launched last March 16, 2021, and this is our second competitive year. And what are the highlights for you, programmers and developers here? So next slide. These are the 5 key highlights for you to join. So this is just the first time. The StackLeague Syntactics Challenge is just your first entry point, but later on next week, we will have the launch of the second year. There will be more opportunities for you. And what are they? There we have year-round cash prizes. So if you will win prizes tonight, next week you will start earning more through the competition, through this year-round competition. We also recognize nationally all the top professionals, not just professionals, but also students who are excelling in this competition. So if here in Syntactics Challenge, we are recognizing the top programmers in Northern Mindanao. In StackLeague, we are recognizing the top programmers in the country. So we also have a bunch of giveaways we are giving away throughout the year. And then there are tech job opportunities. So currently, a lot of you here are students. So if you're looking for opportunities for internships, there are a lot of it. If you're also a graduating students, there are also a lot of opportunities for you. So imagine if you are going to excel in this competition, you can use this reward, this recognition as part of your CV, wherein you are, let's say you are the first or top 1 or top 2 of the Syntactics Challenge. That will prove that you have the skills in programming that would qualify you to be reviewed. Like you will have the advantage in your job opportunities or job hunting opportunities. And of course, we have exclusive event invitations, which you will later on see what are those events happening throughout the year. Next slide. So we'd like to thank our partners. We have Microsoft, Coding Chiefs, Deltec, Upper PH, and we also have media partners here supporting the league. Next slide. And also we have here the StackLeague community partners. These are the communities here in the Philippines who help us reach out to more developers, programmers, software engineers throughout the Philippines, across the country. And this year, we already have 5 million in cash prizes, and it continues to grow. So stay tuned, as throughout the year, we will be increasing and we will increase the prizes for you programmers. Next up. So one of the highlights of StackLeague is that we have the weekly stack race. So if you like to compete individually, you just want to solve problems on your own. Some of you already do this one on the sidelines. You just want to practice your programming skills. So you can do that one here, test your programming skills, solve algorithm problems. And with that one, you will be recognized here through the weekly stack race. So we have the weekly and we have the overall. The more points that you get, the higher your rank goes, and you can see it here. But we also have, so that's the individual. We also have the teams. So if you want to join and compete with your friends, with your colleagues, you can do that one too. So all of the points that you earned are consolidated, so you can name your own team. And then whatever points that you get, that will be consolidated, and that will be ranked against other teams also joining. So weekly, the teams category is composed of 3 to 5 members. So if you enjoy competing with your friends, with your colleagues, or even with your relatives, feel free to do so. There are also prizes waiting for participants in the teams category. Next slide. And featured programmer campaign. Since our objective here in the league is to promote and develop leaders that promote a nation into coding. So we would like to highlight our top programmers. If you become part of the weekly top 10, you will be featured as one of the featured programmers. So we will create blog features for you, and we will be promoted, which means the top employers, the top recruiters are also able to see your profile, and they will be able to recognize you as one of the top programmers here in the country as well. Next. Okay, so this is one of the opportunities we mentioned to you earlier. A lot throughout the year, apart from just the competition itself, wherein you test your skills, you solve problems, you earn points, you earn cash prizes, you earn giveaways, there are a lot of career growth opportunities for you. So it could be through tech sessions wherein you learn wherein you learn different technologies, trends, best practices, and then there are also career sessions wherein these are valuable if you're looking for job opportunities or you're looking for your first job, you want to improve your interview skills, you want to improve your resume building, what are the trends right now in IT. So those kinds of topics, we have those events for you. Next slide. And of course, since we want the nation to have more programmers, we have the ambassador program for you. This is open for all participants. All you need to do is invite more people to join the league. And with that one, we have here the ambassador of the month. So if you're able to invite more people to join, then you get 3,000. And throughout the year, we also, the person with the most number of people who invited here in the league will earn 20,000 pesos. And that's just for inviting people to test their knowledge and skills through the competition. Okay, so what are the supported programming languages here in the league? So we have JavaScript, Java, Python, C#, and PHP. But for this Syntactics challenge, we only support 2. That's the reason why we also ask you in the registration what would be the language that you will be using. So there are 2 for this challenge. We will have PHP and JavaScript. Next slide. Okay, so the ranking system is, think of it as a game wherein the moment you sign up, you have 0 points, and then the more points that you get, the higher your ranking goes. So also we have different difficulty levels of difficulty. So bronze, they're the easier ones. Silver, the questions are getting harder, and then gold, these are the difficult questions that you will have to encounter throughout the league. Next up. Okay, so the moment you log in, I assume you guys are already logged in. Make sure to read the chat here because our team is asking you to confirm if you can already see the challenge so that later on at 6:30 p.m., you will have no problems with your account and then you can start solving your problems already. So again, make sure that you read the chat so that you will ensure that you can solve the problems the moment it's already 6:30 p.m. Okay, going back. So these are the different challenges. Next slide. And right, so next week, it will be the launch of StackLeague. So that's Feb 22. And as we mentioned, there will be year-round cash prizes. So here on our first week, the moment you level up to bronze, you will get 100 pesos. You level up to silver, you get another 100 pesos. And then you level up to gold, you will get 300 pesos. What does that, so throughout the league, you don't have to rank against other people to get these cash prizes. You can get this one on your own as long as you level up. Now, on the first week, that's Feb 22 until Feb 22, that's 1 week after, the cash prize multiplier will be 1.5. So there, you will have bigger prizes if you level up during that week. Okay, next slide. So here we have the individual category, and for the individual category, okay, so this is for you participants. If you become part of the weekly top 10 from February 22 to 26, each of you will receive 500 cash prize. So that's that's different pa from the level up cash prizes. This one, if you belong to the top 10, immediately you will receive 500 cash prize. So that's for the weekly top 10. So if you belong to the top 10, automatic you will receive 500 cash prize. Next up. So for the team category, the one I mentioned earlier, if you like to join the competition with your friends, with your colleagues, with your classmates, there are also multipliers. So let's say there are 5 of you, classmates kayo, and then you want to join the competition. If you become part of the weekly top 3 team category, there are cash prizes here. So it's 1,500. But since there we have multiplier, that means each team can receive 3,000 pesos on these weeks. Okay, next slide. I think that's it. So now we move on to the mechanics. That's it. Isay?
Thank you so much, Haifa, for that overview about StackLeague. So I hope our viewers would be able to register for StackLeague. So don't waste don't waste your time so that you could get the multiplier. So sayang din, sayang. All right. So now let us proceed with the mechanics. All right. So just reminder to our participants, do not click the join challenge yet. So please do not. Okay. Okay. So for the qualification, this competition is open to all registered participants of Syntactics Challenge powered by StackLeague. And most importantly, the participant must be a resident of Northern Mindanao region. Right. So we will be using stackleague.com. So to all our participants, kindly log in to your account now. All registered participants will have access to special challenge questions during the competition duration. So by now, I think you already see the Syntactics challenge on your screen. So make sure not to click yet, all right? Wait for our go signal. So again, this competition will only support JavaScript and PHP. So for each question, it has a corresponding point, which a contestant will earn once solved successfully. The ranking is determined by the total points earned. So if 2 or more players earn the same total points, players will be ranked based on completion time. For our top 3 winners, you will be receiving 5,000 pesos for our top 1, 3,000 pesos for our top 2, 2,000 pesos for our top 3. And of course, you will be receiving a certificate of recognition and the Microsoft jackets and Learn kits. All right. So again, all of the participants will have 1 hour to complete as many special challenges as they can. You can also choose, for our participants, you can also choose which problems you would want to solve first. Once the competition starts, participants need to log in their stackleague.com account. So are you all logged in, everyone? And at the scheduled time, registered participants will have access to 10 special challenges for the competition. So you have 1 hour to complete all those 10 special challenges. Okay? And during the competition, there will be a live ranking that is available to the participants so that you could also see where you rank in the competition. Okay? And of course, at the end of the 1 hour mark, the top 3 will be crowned as winners. All right. So again, do not click the button yet. Okay. This will automatically start your time. Okay. And since we will start at 6:30, let me double check. All right. We still have 8 minutes before 6:30. So please log in to your StackLeague account already and do not click the button yet. All right. Okay. So this is how your it would look like on your end for the participants. All right. So again, do not click the button yet. Okay. So are you all logged in? Okay, make sure that on your end, you're able to see the Syntactics challenge. So please refer to your to the screen right now. This is how it should look like. Okay, this is how it should look like on your end. All right. So while waiting for the other participants. All right. So please type in confirm if you can see the challenge after you log into the website. For our participants who just joined, kindly type confirm on the chat box. Okay, so again, please do not click the join challenge yet. Okay, make sure that you're logged in to your StackLeague account. All right. Once again, for those who just joined, kindly type the word confirm if you can already see the Syntactics challenge on the platform. And please do not click the join challenge button yet. All right, so we're still waiting for a few participants to confirm if they can already see their the Syntactics challenge. All right, just so we could verify if it's visible on your end. Okay. All right. So again, kindly type in confirm for those who just joined. And let's wait for 6:30 to start. So do not. All right. So we have participants typing in confirm. Okay. Okay, while still waiting for a few people to confirm, once again, aside from the cash prize that you'll be receiving, tonight, our top 3 winners will also receive Microsoft jackets and Microsoft Learn kits from our good friends. All right. All right. Okay na? Okay, for those who just joined in, kindly log in to your account. All right, so while waiting for the other participants, I'd like to call in Haifa back again for a quick announcement about the challenge. Haifa?
All right. So hello again, everyone. So just an update, no? Sa mechanics natin earlier, we announced that there will be 10 questions. So right now, we have confirmed that there will only be 3 questions. And the 3 questions would comprise of 1 easy, 1 mid, meaning intermediate, and then 1 difficult question. So those will be the 3 questions that you will be dealing tonight. So you don't have to worry about answering a lot of questions now. You can just focus on 3 questions. So focus on those 3 and make sure that you'll be able to identify which one would be easy so that it's easier for you to identify. Thank you and good luck, everyone.
Yay, thanks, Hype. So there you have it, guys. So instead of solving 10 challenges, you just focus on 3 challenges for tonight. All right, so we're still waiting for a few. We still have 3 minutes. 3 minutes before we start. Okay, once again, kindly type in confirm in our chat box for us to know if you already or is the challenge already visible on your end. Okay, waiting for our remaining participants. All right, okay. Again, please do not click the button yet, right? You can only click the join challenge button when the clock hits 6:30 p.m. Okay. So I think you have your clocks, watches sa inyong devices or on your laptops available with you. Okay? By 6:30 p.m., you can click the join challenge. So we still have 2 minutes. Okay? So let's click the join challenge together. All right. So once again, kindly type in confirm. Okay, so are you all ready? We have 2 minutes. Okay. So by now, you are already inside the StackLeague platform. Okay. Once again, do not click the join challenge button yet. Okay. You may click the join challenge once the clock ticks at 6:30 p.m. So let's wait for 6:30 p.m. All right, 1 minute left. 1 minute left. So by the time hit 6:30, we will be flashing the leaderboard so that everyone could see the live ranking for the Syntactics challenge. All right. Good luck to our participants and see you after our challenge. Again, you may start as soon as the clock hits 6:30 p.m. Once again, good luck and enjoy.
there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves, there's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on, we're moving on. I know
And that ends our challenge. So we apologize for the technical problem that we experienced earlier, although we were able to come back and our participants were able to finish the challenges. So for now, before we announce our winners, all right. So before we announce our winners, I would like to invite everyone to be part of our official launch this coming Feb 22. So as our official launch comes into a close, no? So our year-round and cash prizes also is growing up to 5 million pesos and counting. So once again, get your early access at bit.ly/StackLeague 2022 official launch. It will happen on February 22 at 6 p.m. So we hope to see you there. And guess the cash prize pool for Stack League 2022 and get a chance to win. Make sure to join the league and sign up via the stackleague.com. And during our official launch, we will be giving away 500 pesos to our 5 lucky winners. Make sure to register via bit.ly/StackLeague 2022 official launch. Again, we invite you to join our official launch this coming Feb 2022 at 6 p.m. and get a chance to win 500 pesos for our lucky winners. All right. So, and before that, February Ambassador of the Month is still accepting entries. Get a chance to win 3,000 pesos and a Stack League shirt. So for those who are interested to be our ambassador, join our ambassador program. All right. So, are you excited to meet and to know our winners? But before that, of course, I'd like to invite you to register ahead before our official launch to get the multipliers for our challenger level up. All right. Okay. Are you all excited? Okay. So our team is currently consolidating our winners. All right. So I think we really had a fun night tonight, especially for our participants. And I hope that you join our next challenges all throughout the year. Okay. So are you all ready to meet our winners? All right. Okay. For our winners, we have our top 1 and top 2. Okay, we are experiencing some technical problems. Okay, our team is still fixing it. Okay, are you excited? So once again, I invite you to join our events all throughout the year. Okay. All right, so while waiting for our team to consolidate our winners, so how was your experience, everyone? Would you mind or would you care sharing your experience for tonight? How was it doing the Syntactics challenge for the first time? All right. Okay. Okay, brain racking. Gusto. Okay. Fun. All right. It's glad to hear na you really had fun in our first Syntactics challenge. Practical gusto ko na say brain racking. So I hope this won't be your last challenge. So all right, I think our winners are already All right, congratulations to our top two, Rio Aldi Dumpol, a fourth year student from Northern Bukidnon State College at Manolo Fortich. Congratulations, Rio. And for our top one, it's Sherwin Sandoval, a fourth year student at MSU IIT in Iligan City. Congratulations, guys. You really did a good job. So before we proceed, can we call in our winners? Maybe we could start with Rio. Maybe Rio could share something or say something to everyone. Rio.
Hello guys. Am
Hi,
I
Rio.
audible? Hello.
Congratulations. Yes.
Gusto ko na mag-CR. Hindi ko mag-get yung mga question.
Wow, pero you were able to earn points. How was it? How was your experience?
Actually, I tried it. Actually, nag-OGT ako tapos nung nag-register ako dun sa StackLeague, then I tried yung Bronze League. So, parang
Okay. So you were
parang
able to,
yes, parang na-excite lang ako. Doon lang is Java yung ginamit ko. Then dito nag-JavaScript ako. Kaya parang nabagoan ako. Tapos yung picks kanina parang nawala ako doon. May structure na ako kasi nawala doon dahil sa picks. Hindi ko kasi na-save.
I see. It's okay. It's considering that this is your first time. So hopefully you would be able to join again in our next challenges, Rio. Thank you so much. And
Yes pa.
again, congratulations. Thank you, Rio. How about Sherwin? Congratulations again. Our top one. Sherwin, are you still with us?
Hello po. Hello.
Hello, Sherwin. Congratulations. So how was your experience sa challenge?
Fun at the same time, brain rocking kaya sinabi ko. Grabe,
Bakit?
nakakahirap. At saka yung mga instruction is medyo hindi clear.
Mm-hmm.
So parang nag-isip ako ng mga possible inputs, mga ganyan.
Wow, di pa clear yung state na yun. You're the first one who was able to earn points and you landed at top one. Anyway, that was really a good job. Congratulations, Sherwin.
Thank you po.
And hopefully we see you on our next challenge. Once again, congratulations to Sherwin and Rio for being our top two winners for tonight. Congratulations, guys. All right, so there you have it, everyone. We already have our winners. So before we end, we would like to call in the Assistant VP for Operations for the closing remarks. Sir Carl?
Hello everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, Sir Carl.
Great. Right. So I'm very I'm very happy with regards to what we did tonight. Tonight has been enjoyable and fruitful. Aside from, of course, the cash prize, I'm sure everyone enjoyed, especially as programmers, we really enjoy tinkering and working on code. So I'm sure that you also enjoyed. And on behalf of Syntactics, on behalf of our HR manager, Ma'am Len and Ma'am Hani, I'd like to thank StackLeague, Miss Haifa, Miss Isai for making this possible. Thank you for continuously supporting growth, not just within the organization, kundi to all aspiring IT professionals. And of course, I'd like to take this opportunity na rin for the students. I see a lot of you are students. We're offering internship program in case you're looking for an organization that you want to spend your internship in. And we're also hiring in case you're looking for we are looking for goal-oriented, talented people that would want to join our team. So you can check on our Syntactics Careers page on Facebook for more information. And I think that's all. Again, thank you everyone for participating. And this is not going to be the last, but this is the first of many of this kind of event that we look forward to host. And again, thank you everyone. Let's all continue to dream big and work smart. Good evening.
All right. Thank you so much, Sir Carl. So indeed, this will not be the first time. And of course, if you enjoyed this competition, don't worry, you'll have, and especially to those our participants who were not able to make it to the top, you still have the chance to join our competition. So make sure to register in our event. So we have plenty of events lined up for you this year. So make sure to be updated with StackLeague's announcements through our social media pages. So you can just follow us in Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and in other social media platforms. All right. Once again, congratulations, everyone, for those who participated and for our winners. We hope to see you in our next challenge. So please continue to support StackLeague. You already have your account, so might as well explore the other challenges that is inside the platform. All right. So we hope to see you in our next challenge. This has been Isai, and see you soon. Bye.